AirPods Pro announced. Why are they cooler than the old ones? Price exceeded $300. Apple officially announced the AirPods Pro, the next generation wireless headset. AirPods Pro received an updated design, an active noise reduction system and other features. They talked about why the new AirPods Pro is cooler than previous models in this material. First of all, AirPods Pro has a new design and design. Headphones became in-channel, while previous models were in-ear. Because of this, the overall shape of the headphones has changed. Each earpiece comes with 3 silicone pads in various sizes. Thanks to them, users will be able to ensure a perfect fit of the headphones. In addition, the pads allow for maximum compaction, which, according to Apple, is a critical factor in providing immersive sound. In addition, AirPods Pro uses an innovative ventilation system for equalizing pressure. It minimizes any headphone pressure on the ears and head. Active noise reduction. AirPods Pro uses a modern active noise reduction system. It uses 2 microphones and advanced software to eliminate background noise. Noise reduction works both when listening to music and during conversations. The system operates as follows. The first microphone is facing out. It detects external sound to analyze ambient noise. The headphones then create an equivalent anti-noise that eliminates background noise before it reaches the listener's ears. A second inwardly directed microphone eliminates the remaining noise detected by the microphone. Noise reduction in AirPods Pro continuously adapts the audio signal 200 times per second.